Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can export with the best settings in Photopea. So first, when you have your picture right here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your picture size is set to the most compatible version ever. So what you want to do is that you want to go to the picture that you downloaded, you want to right click and you want to go to properties. You want to go to details and you want to go to dimensions and width. As you can see, it is 750 by 562 and you want to make sure that it is the same right here. You want to go to image size and it is completely the same. You want to click OK again, and now what you want to do is you want to go to file, you want to go to export as, and you want to choose PNG. Once this pops up, you want to make sure that your quality is set to the max quality as possible, and you can just hit save. Now you got your picture right here and you should be good. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.